Vidiem presents Jewel, your kitchen's better half. A new revolution in grinding technology, combining modern design with unparalleled performance. Jewel is available in 3 variants. Jewel PC, featuring a polycarbonate drum with Jewel stainless steel rollers. Jewel SS, offered with a stainless steel drum with stainless steel jeweled rollers. And Jewel ST, with a stainless steel drum and stone rollers. The Vidiem Jewel is a compact and stylish evolution of the tabletop wet grinder, perfectly suited to the aesthetics of a modular kitchen and the aspirations of the modern woman. Vidiem Jewel, your kitchen's better half.